What is up, YouTube? We're on 770. It's a Dankin. I've never been on this. It's like a new single track. I've never been on it, so it's a little tight. But I'm out here testing a couple different needle options for trail riding on gnarly single track, which this isn't gnarly, but I'm gonna try to treat it like it is. I want to grunt around. I want to see how needling feels. So right now I'm running a JD Red needle, and I cannot talk and ride fast at the same time, so you'll have to excuse me. But anyway, I'm running a JD Red needle. I want to see what it feels like, but I want to test that against the NECJ, the Suzuki needle, and see which one feels better. Okay? So that's the plan for today. Oh, nice. Not too bad. Feels decent. What we want is to be able to just hammer on it, grunt things out, not want to cut out, not be too rich. We don't want to be too lean because then we're going to come on the pipe too quick. For a hard single track, I would prefer to not be too lean. I'd rather dial some of that two-stroke aggression back a little bit. It's easier to ride, it's less tiring, it's a little more predictable. So that's the plan. We're looking for nice middle of the road, which this JD kit is already going to be pretty middle of the road, I think, because it feels good. It's not too crazy. Plus it'll run cooler, being rich. And as you're going slow, now, I've never had this bike overheat. Again, I've only put about 30 hours on it. But it always runs decently cool. But I jet it to run rich for a reason. Not super rich, just want to keep it cool. I'm not going to be any faster with lean jetting. I am not that good. Yeah, buddy. So, trying out some new jetting out here. Last week, I guess probably in this video, is I was working the red needle, JD Red needle. I switched over to the Suzuki NECJ needle, which I'm already liking a little bit better. Okay. Woo! Yeah, buddy. this jetting is kind of nice. Sounds good. So yeah, I got a 160 main, 38 pilot. I'm running the NECJ #2 clip down from the top. I like it. It's a little punchier than that Red Needle. Could be all in my head though. You know how these things are. It just seems to grab better and hold on. Grunt. Oh, this NECJ needle, that's what I want to talk about. Like, it's different bike altogether. It feels awesome. Oh, it's in the second clip right now. I'm about 5,700 feet out here in Montrose. But 160 pilot, excuse me, 38 pilot, 160 main. This is the best jetting yet. I love it. This thing feels great. Way better than that Red Needle. Way better. And you feel it out here in this kind of stuff with these climbs. Man, this thing just gets on it. It is awesome.